Have you ever wondered why koalas sleep almost the entire day? It sounds unbelievable, but it's true. The koala is one of the sleepiest animals on earth, resting for up to 20 to 20 hours a day. But this is not laziness, it is a survival strategy. Let's explore the science behind it. First, we need to understand their diet. Koalas eat many eucalyptus leaves. While these leaves are abundant in Australia, they come with two major problems. They are low in nutrients and contain toxic chemicals. Yes, koalas are eating something that is both hard to digest and mildly poisonous. So how do they survive? Koalas have highly specialized digestive system. Their gut contains microbes that help break down these tough leaves and neutralize toxin. But this process takes a lot of time and energy, and that is the key point. Because their food provides very little energy, koalas must conserve as much energy as possible. Sleeping helps them to do exactly that. Think of it like a low power mode. Instead of wasting energy moving around, koalas stay still for long periods, reducing energy use and allowing digestion to happen efficiently. Now let's talk about metabolism. Koalas have a very slow metabolic rate compared to other mammals of similar size. This means their bodies use energy slowly, which support their long sleeping hours. But there are more. Eucalyptus leaves are also tough and fibrous. Digesting them require long fermentation inside the gut. During this time, the koalas rest, allowing its body to process the foods properly. So sleep is not just rest, it is part of digestion. Another interesting factor is the safety. Koalas live in trees which protect them from many predators. This allows them to sleep for long hours without constant threat. They choose comfortable tree branches, curl up and remain almost motionless. However, koalas are not always asleep. When they are awake, they eat, groom, and occasionally move between trees. These active periods are short but essential. Now, you might wonder, are koalas really asleep all the time? Not always. Some of their sleep is actually a state of rest or low activity, similar to the dozing. Still, the total inactive time can reach up to 22 hours a day. Let's compare this with humans. Humans sleep around 7 to 8 hours a day, while koalas sleep almost 3 times that amount. This difference shows how lifestyle and diet influence behavior. Animals adapt to their environment and koalas are perfectly adapted to theirs. But there is a downside. Because they rely on very specific diet, koalas are vulnerable to environmental changes. If eucalyptus forests are destroyed, their food source disappears. This makes conservation very important. Koalas are also affected by climate change, habitat loss, and diseases. Their slow lifestyle, which work well in stable conditions, become a disadvantage when environment change rapidly. So while their long sleep is fascinating, it also highlights their delicate survival balance. Let's summarize why koalas sleeps so much. Their diet is low in energy. Eucalyptus leaves are toxic and hard to digest. They have slow metabolism. Sleeping helps conserve energy. Rest, sport, digestion. Each of these factors play a role in shaping their behavior. In conclusion, koalas do not sleep because they are lazy. They sleep because they must. It's smart adaptation that allow them to survive on one of the toughest diet in the animal kingdom. So next time you see a koala resting peacefully in a tree, remember it's not just sleeping, it's surviving. For more videos related to animals and animal facts, do not forget to like and subscribe our channel Zoosphere. Thank you.